Now news from sports. Sports Week and Mandavi boys won their respective matches on Tuesday in the All Goa Babu Brothers 4th 2020 cricket tournament at Fatodda. Sports Week beat Azan 11 while Mandavi defeated Vasco SCC.
In the first match of the day, Sports Week defeated Azan 11 by 88 runs. Batting first, Sports Week posted 168 runs in 20 overs, losing 6 wickets. Videsh Usgaonkar was the top scorer with 50 runs. Azan 11 failed to match their opponents and folded up for 80 runs in 15.1 overs. Rupesh Usgaonkar and Raju Zadgadle of Sports Week took 3 wickets each. Videsh was named man of the match.
Again, work. A nice shot there. And will it be a sixer? No, it's a boundary. Nice shot. Will it be? Oh, dropped! Dropped a easy. Nice shot here.
In the second match, Mandavi boys from Kankona edged out Vasco SSC by 7 runs. Batting first, Mandavi scored 119 runs in the allotted 20 overs. Santosh Satarkar and Sagar Mule scored 32 runs each. Sanjay Dabolkar picked up 3 wickets for Vasco. In reply, Vasco were all out for 112 runs in the 19th over. Shiv Sarma top scored with 44 runs. Sagar took 3 wickets and was named man of the match.
Will be the second one for Basel. And drop.
Our reporter from Fatodda, Sameer Bhatt.
Goa's young duo of Bindiya, Shinde and Muizz Kazi clinched silver and bronze medals respectively in Judo at the recent school national games in Pune. The two youngsters have boosted Goa's Judo scene with these medals and if trained well could be fine prospects for the national games to be held in the states in near future.
Bindiya Shinde and Muizz Kazi did Goa proud by notching up medals at the school national games. Coach Deepak Netardekar gave details about the performance.
Pune for 50th school national games and our judo players have made us really proud. We achieved a great feat. Bindiya Shinde from Bapsa, who is student of Vishant Dalekar, she won a silver medal. She almost won a gold medal for Goa, but that player was too good and she was an international player. So as a result, she won silver medal. Then Muizz Kazi, a student from Bhattekar school and trainee of RCC Margaon, won a bronze medal. This is his first medal at national level and he's upcoming star and he is for last 5 years he is a state gold medalist.
What do you feel is the need to improve your game right now?
I feel first I want to thanks to my coach, Deepak Netardekar. He was the one who trained me and made me capable of winning a medal at national level. And second of all, to my mom and my parents, because they were the one who put the efforts so that I could train over here. And then to improve my game, I feel that I have to practice hard, increase my strength and all that, so that I can win more medals and better medals at national level.
Do you have lack of time for practices or something?
No, time I study and practice at the same time, so I don't have lack of time.
Our reporter from Margaon, Pratik Parab.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
Tumi poritat Prudent. You're watching Prudent.